Okay, here's a family heirloom, 1974 Honda CB360 G. This is a very special motorcycle collectible, as it was the one and only year of the G model that came with a single disc up front. These were very popular motorcycles back in the day. It was a successor to the 350. This has gone through, well, first of all, its background is it's been in my family since early 1975. I acquired it and did a frame-up restore. It has very low mileage on it. It had around 1,000 miles original, and it hadn't been started up in about 5 years. Hasn't been ridden very much at all, and I decided to do a concours level restore of it, and it's taken first place trophies in several places. I have some trophies that will go with the bike, but let's talk a little bit about it. Again, 360cc complete frame up restore. The frame was powder coated, not painted. That's just one little difference there, but it's all the original color it came with. The engine has been through 2 factory upgrades that were back in the day. They've both been done. They had to do with the camshaft, and those have been replaced with factory OEM parts. There are some brand new OEM parts on this motorcycle. The pipes, the controls, brake levers and such. So I used as much OEM as absolutely possible. The decals on here are remakes, however, but paint is meticulous on this. Just a beautiful, beautiful job. These are brand new OEM gauges. Not that the original ones were terrible, but I wanted to do a 10 out of 10 restore. So these are all factory mirrors. This is a brand new OEM component, very, very difficult to get. Original fenders. The brakes completely redone. Every nut and bolt and wire has been touched on this thing. As I said, it was you know, in pretty good condition. I just took it to the next level. It had a little bit of rust on it, but this is OEM, really, really nice. All OEM stuff here. Underneath, I have the original manual in here, 360. I have some other documentation, magazine articles and some other things that will go with the bike. It's got a brand new battery in it, gel battery. Notoriously back in the day, you know, we don't want any leaking acid in here, so we put a gel cell in there. The original helmet holder here. Original rear pegs, original shocks. Everything's cleaned. Very beautiful. This was a new original OEM because the one that was on it was a little bit rusted, but this is all OEM. Really beautiful. Original carbs came with the bike. Original horn. So very few aftermarket anything. Original Honda grips. New, but original. All this came with the bike. But very, very beautiful. Honda mirrors. Again, brand new OEM. This whole cluster here, all this stuff. It's OEM. Just a beautiful condition. So this is ready to ride. It runs fantastic. It's been completely tuned. I have riding videos that are attached or will be attached as part of the ad. A little bit about me. I restore bikes just for fun. I've done many of them. They've won awards. I specialize in a lot of Hondas, both 2-cylinder and 4-cylinder, that are award winners. And I just like to do it for fun. I like to bring them back, and I like to get them in the hands of people who can appreciate them. So I've done about 20 over the last 4 years, and again, it's not a business. It's just fun. I have a complete restore shop. So there it is. Just a beautiful example and a rare example of the most sought after color and a very rare year. And I expect this, you know, to gain in value. Since it's 70s, this is good investment because it will just gain in value. And there you have it. Okay, we'll do a quick startup and show you all the lights and everything works. Here's the left, it's gonna have to warm up a little. Left turn signal, right turn signals. Headlight, high beam.